Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save view one's photos on Instagram. It's really simple and easy. Now to save the view one disappearing photos on Instagram, first of all, open the Instagram application in your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the DM section in the top right corner. Now when you try to take a screenshot of a viewer's photo, then it says that it is not allowed to take a screenshot. So what you can simply do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, tap on your profile, tap on these three bars and simply tap on this account center. As you select account center, scroll down and tap on this your information and permissions. Select on download your information and select download or transfer your information. Now tap on your profile and then tap on next. So here you can select some of your information, and as you do that you will be able to select the photo, stories or anything and then simply download them on your mobile. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to save view one's photo on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.